Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to share a Gumroad discount code. So actually guys, at first you will need to generate a discount code if you haven't yet. So first thing first, you will need just to go with gumroad.com and then just click on the dashboard after signing in with your account. The button is located at the top right, and then you will need to go to the products option at the left hand menu and select the product you want to create a discount for. Okay, so for example, I'm aiming to make a discount for that product. Okay, so now you will need to go with the checkout option at left hand menu right here, and then just go with discount tab. Okay, so that's one, and then just go with new discount, go with the products right here and select the digital download. Okay, or the digital products that I just checked on the products section. And now all you need to do is to set a name. So for example, I will go with Black Friday. Okay, and that's the discount code. You can type it manually or you can just generate a random one from here. Then you can set a percentage or a fixed amount as a discount. So if you want a percentage, you can go with 10% from the total of the price, or you can go with a fixed amount, so for example $2, and then you choose if you want to set the discount as or on a quantity limit, validity period, set a minimum qualifying amount, or set a minimum quantity. All right, so once finished, all you need to do is to go and click on add discounts right here, then just go to the discount tab to check all the discounts you made. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.